Hello everyone, I am your new friend Karl from the United States. This is my 11th year here in China. China's May Day holiday is coming soon. Let's be honest, every holiday, like most workers, I'm worried about the possible crowds and failure to buy tickets to wherever you may go. That altogether is a bad experience. So my advice simply is to not go out on the May Day holiday. Now, I think the reason why everyone travels on the holiday is to get together with maybe relatives or even some friends, go have some fun. So let's get down to business. In this episode, I have prepared practical May Day tips for you that offer 3 types of experiences. 1, China's unique experience. When it comes to enjoying life, Sichuan people are really good at it. Sichuan hot pot has long been more than just eating. In many restaurants, you can watch the Nashville Quintessence or the Sichuan face-changing opera while relishing in a spicy hot pot. For more fun, you may even sing some high notes while boiling tripe in a KTV room. After eating and drinking to your heart's content, you may want to take a foot bath while watching either movies with some complimentary snacks too. This is nothing less than the most relaxing way to spend your vacation. I can recommend several chain massage stores in Chengdu with a very stable reputation for their good environment and services. So let's look at those ones. We have the Golden Impressions, Shizudao, and Dacheng Jingnan. You better call in advance to make an appointment and let them know the number of guests and the arrival time. 2 is our rewarding experience. Have you been impressed by the recent encounter of Darren Jason Watkins Jr.? You may have seen him. He is known online as Speed or I Show Speed. He was with a Kung Fu master at the Shaolin Temple. Sichuan is also famous for Chinese Kung Fu. You may go to the Emei Wushu Intangible Cultural Heritage and Inheritance Base at the foot of Mount Emei to experience some basic martial art routine from a Kung Fu master. If you think that's a little too far away for you, you may be able to find alternatives here in the city, even free of charge. Recently, I have found the Chengdu Cultural Center. They offer some courses such as handmade paper crafting, fitness qigong, Tai Chi, and some Chinese dance. Most of the courses are free to foreigners holding Chinese permanent residency permits as well. Don't have one? Or you want to know how to get a Chinese green card? We've put the link and the instructions here in the comment section, so be sure to check that out. The following is a guide on how to sign up for free courses here at the Cultural Center. First off, we want to search for Chengdu Cultural Center on the WeChat app. Then complete your real name authentication in the personal center. Then enter the Cultural Tianfu page and select Learn Skills. Here you can sign up any and all the courses you are interested in. 3, natural exploration experience. Finally, if you want to escape the city and have a really wild travel, I can also recommend a few attractions. Attraction 1, you can explore China's Bermuda. Heizhugou, or the Black Bamboo Valley, is located in Ebian-Yi Autonomous County, Leshan City. With its mysterious and complex terrains, it is known as China's Bermuda, a favorite of many experienced hikers. Now, attraction 2 would be the Noah's Ark. Hidden in Leshan, the Luochen ancient town located in Qianwei County has a very special name, China's Noah's Ark. Why, you may ask? That's because its streets and the buildings are arranged in a boat-shaped structure. You may watch martial arts performances, visit the Intangible Cultural Heritage Handicraft Street, and taste many authentic traditional snacks. Attraction 3, you can check in on the exotic planet in Moshi Park. Now, Moshi Park is located in Daofu County, Gansu Prefecture. With a unique myelinite forest in the world, it is called the exotic planet among netizens. I would suggest you include it in your road trip route to Western Sichuan. The scenery along the way is also extremely breathtaking. Don't want to miss that. Attraction 4 is to explore Chang Memory in the Oriental Capital. Taoping Chang Village, located in Li County, Aba Prefecture, is the most well-preserved ancient Chang architectural complex in the world, also known as Oriental Castle. It is recommended that you spend at least, I would say, 20 yuan to hire a local as a tour guide. They will take you on the most authentic route and tell you many real stories about that village. Well, that's all for today. If you decide to take a trip to any of these places, feel free to tell us about your experience. We would love to hear about it. Now, are you curious about China? Maybe you even want to travel, invest, or even study here in Sichuan. Or you could just be looking for a reliable local guide. Immediately search and follow @PandaGuide across all platforms to get considerable tips and for foreigners to explore China in a worry-free way. See you guys next time.